Welcome to the first AXLine tutorial, where I'd like to show you the basic idea of our development. Our motivation was driven by the AXFX, which is a great preprocessor. We were always looking for a nice floorboard, and so we came to Line 6, who built great boards. Unfortunately, these boards can't be connected directly to the AXFX, because they don't talk MIDI. They talk some Line 6 language. Well, you can connect a standard MIDI board to the AXFX, but you won't get the preset names, tuner information and all this fancy stuff on the MIDI board. This raised the idea of building a box being able to translate the different messages. In order to switch channels or to turn on and off certain effect blocks, this box should translate messages sent from the floorboard to the AX on the one hand. On the other hand, the box should translate messages sent by the AX and translate it to the floorboard in order to display preset names, tuner information, tap tempo and stompbox states. This is a prototype of the box we built. It has an Ethernet jack for the connection to the Line 6 board on the one side. On the other side it has a 7-pin MIDI jack to be connected to the AXFX MIDI in jacket. Two of the pins will feed the AXLine box with power. Here are some basic functions coming with the AXLine box I'd like to show you today. After connecting the Line 6 board to the AXLine box, it will display the tap tempo. I can change the tempo using the tap tempo latch and the AX will synchronize immediately. I can also change the tap tempo directly at the AX. The board will also stay in sync. By holding down the tap tempo latch for a couple of seconds, I can activate the tuner. As you can see, it displays exactly the same information being displayed in the AXFX display. This will help to stay in tune in a live situation. Of course, I can also use the channel latches to switch to different presets in the AXFX. After a preset switch, the AXLine box determines the name of the new preset as well as the current stompbox state and updates all necessary controls on the floorboard. I can also use the bank up and down latches to browse to presets above 4. The LED next to a stomp latch shows if a connected effect block is currently on or not. I can connect a latch to every effect I want. Please check the other tutorials in order to learn how this works. In this example, my stomp latch is connected to a compressor, the modulation latch is connected to a chorus, the delay latch switches delay and the reverb latch is connected to the reverb module. Currently, we can see that chorus and delay are switched on. This is true if we take a look into the layout in the AXS display. By switching the modulation latch, I can now turn the chorus on and off. It will also work for the other effect blocks currently connected to the latches on the floorboard. The AXLine box works with Line 6 shortboard Mark I and Mark II, which I used in this tutorial, as well as the longboard. Using a shortboard sometimes limits me since I only have 4 latches for effect blocks. That's why we included a shift function in the first version of the AXLine box. You can think of it like the shift key on a computer keyboard and brings another function to the same key. If I push the function 2 latch, I can switch 4 different effect blocks for a couple of seconds before the AXLine box turns back to the standard mode. In this example, I have some effects connected to the shift stomp latches that I don't use frequently, like pitch shift, IQ and so on. Take a look on the LED next to the stomp latches when I push the function 2 latch. The LEDs update to the current state of the shift stomp latches. I can now turn them on and off. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope I was able to explain our idea. We are looking for feedback, ideas, as well as some beta testers having a Line 6 board and an interest of helping us to make this a great tool for guitarists using the AXFX. If you'd like to participate or if you have any additional comments, please send an email to info@axline.net. Bye bye.